accounting for fixed assets, and in this module, we will learn a scenario of disposal of fixed asset, which is leaving a gain. Okay, so let's see how this gain would be worked out. The scenario is the same except to the consideration or the sales price or the price what we are getting after disposing of the asset. We had this asset costing 70,000 with us on 1st of January X9, and its accumulated depreciation is 50,000. Okay, but this time this asset is being sold for 22,000. Okay, let's see what happens. So the machinery account, again, it's repetition. It's good that we are repeating the scenarios. It will give you perfection. So opening balance of machine being debit in nature is placed in the debit side. Opening balance of provision being credit in nature is placed in the credit side. Then we have to close this in the asset disposal account, and we have to close this in the asset disposal account, same as we did in the previous module. By doing this, our both balances are nil. So both of these two accounts have been transferred to the asset disposal account. And now cash account debit, as we discussed in the previous module as well. Cash account debit and disposal account credit with this 22,000. So disposal account, we are putting this 22,000 in the credit side. So what happens now? We have to balance this asset disposal account. Our credit side is heavier than the debit side. So leaving a balancing figure of 2,000, and this is our profit. This is our gain, which will be taken to the profit or loss account or income statement. Well, interesting. We are learning the things now, and I do believe that your confidence, you are gaining confidence. It's boosting now. Okay? So accounting is a very interesting subject, isn't it? Yes, this is. So the ITTRs to these modules will remain same. That we have to work out or identify the accumulated depreciations till the date of disposal, and then transfer it to the disposal account, transfer the cost of asset in the disposal account, and finally the sale proceed we have to put in the asset disposal account to work out gains or losses on this disposal of fixed assets. Thank you.